Here's how you can make your first money online using just your phone and AI. AI is changing what's possible right now, not in some distant future, today. In this video, I'll show you real ways you can use AI to make money online. No hype, no shortcuts, just things that actually work. This moment is similar to early opportunities like crypto in the past, not because it's guaranteed, but because most people ignore it. I'll share 5 practical steps you can start today, and the further we go, the more valuable each step becomes. All you need is a phone, AI like ChatGPT, and a bit of consistency. And if you think this sounds impossible or overhyped, stay with me for a few minutes. You will see even the first step is something anyone can start today, and you might learn something that genuinely changes how you look at money. 5. Sell thumbnails using AI. Can you believe that you can make up to 100 euros per hour? This is not a joke, and I'll prove and explain why. Many people are already doing this. And to be completely honest, I'd even say almost anyone could learn it, even beginners. You've probably heard about Fiverr before, but be honest with yourself. Why did you never really try it, especially in times of AI? This step is for you if your goal is to make money as fast as possible with relatively low effort. One simple service you can sell with AI. Thumbnail creation. Thumbnail creation is surprisingly simple. You can sell thumbnails for 10 to 30 euros per image, and with the help of AI, one thumbnail can take less than 10 minutes to create. That means 6 thumbnails per hour, roughly 60 to 180 euros per hour. That's 1,000 euros in one full working day of 8 hours. To be fair, you do need a good gig and some patience at the beginning. But as your Fiverr level increases, orders start coming in consistently. Some creators have 10 to 20 orders in their queue at the same time, and that's where this really starts to scale. And yes, people are actively buying this service right now. That's exactly where you can position yourself. How to start create a Fiverr account in less than 5 minutes. Use AI to create a professional-looking gig. Start offering thumbnail creation today. This single step alone can already earn you more than a regular hourly job. So stay with me, because the next steps become even more valuable. If you try this, leave a comment under the video and tell us how much you made. Compare your results with others. It's motivating. There are many services you could sell on Fiverr, but for me, thumbnail creation was by far the best starting point. Now let's move on to an even more valuable step. 4. Write ebooks with AI. This one takes a bit more time, but it's absolutely worth it and can turn into a solid passive income over time. AI has already transformed the entertainment industry over the past few years. Games, animations, and digital content are now heavily assisted by AI. And if we're being honest, a large part of what you read and hear online today is already AI assisted. One major area where this really shows is books, especially ebooks. Here's why. Ebooks are fast to produce. You can realistically create up to 1 ebook per day. Distribution is simple and global. With ebooks, volume matters. Research interesting niches and topics, then consistently publish multiple titles. If you stay consistent and eventually have hundreds of ebooks available, even small sales per book can add up to a reliable passive income. Just imagine this. You work once, and that product can sell for years even if it only sells 100 times. Let's take one simple example. You finish your ebook. You upload it to one platform, like Amazon KDP, Etsy, or Gumroad. Once it's online, it can be bought anytime, from anywhere in the world. You don't need customer support. You don't need to send files. Everything runs automatically. One book, uploaded once, selling again and again. Even if it only sells a few times per month, multiply that by multiple books, and suddenly it starts adding up. That's how ebooks turn into passive income over time. Before we move on to step number 3, here's a quick reminder. Do the work now, so life can be easier later. If you're interested in more valuable videos for your future, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. 3. Local AI selling. AI is everywhere right now. Almost everyone online is talking about it. Selling in this space isn't impossible, but competition is high. But if you look at local businesses like the butcher around the corner, a small clothing store, or a family-owned restaurant, many of them are not using AI at all. Especially older business owners often miss this trend completely, and that's exactly where your opportunity is. Instead of selling AI, you assist local businesses by using AI in the background to improve their visibility and sales. This creates a clear win-win situation. They get better results, and you get paid for solving real problems. You can simply reach out to small businesses in your area with a short email or message and offer something their business actually needs to stay relevant. This is B2B, and B2B pays very well. What you offer always depends on the business and its situation. For example, you can create flyers for promotions or events, social media posts to keep their business visible online, or QR code flyers that encourage customers to leave reviews on Google. For a small clothing store, a simple sale of the month flyer can help push sales. For restaurants, professionally designed menu cards often sell better than a random list of dishes. The good part is that almost everyone can do this with basic prompt skills, simple design tools, and AI support. But one rule is crucial. Always sell the product, not the AI. Businesses are not buying technology. They are buying results. Local AI selling is powerful because it's simple, fast, and built on trust. And in the next step, we'll take this idea even further and look at something that can scale far beyond your local area. 2. Invest in AI companies. Investing in AI companies is by far the simplest option on this list, but it also comes with risk. Instead of doing all the work yourself, you let companies do the heavy lifting for you. These businesses invest billions into research, development, and infrastructure, while you participate in their long-term growth. There are many companies working on AI-related technologies, from software and data platforms to hardware, chips, and automation tools. On top of that, there are low-cost ETFs that focus on a broad range of companies involved in the AI space. This allows you to spread your investment across multiple businesses and sectors, instead of relying on a single company or product. By doing this, you're not betting on one winner. You're betting on the overall development and adoption of AI as a technology. While there will be ups and downs along the way, this approach can be a more balanced way to take part in the growth of AI over time, without needing to actively manage or build anything yourself. Before we move on to the last and most important step, here's my personal opinion on AI and why I think AI will dominate in the future. And investing in AI can help you. This is not financial advice. Always do your own research. No one can predict the future. AI is one of the greatest inventions humanity has ever created. Many people, including myself, already use tools like ChatGPT instead of traditional search engines, and this is only the beginning. AI has the potential to transform almost every industry, from entertainment to supermarkets, from offices to factories. Japan already has supermarket only using AI can track what a customer takes in real time and automatically calculate the total at the end. No scanning required. That means no job is completely safe. That doesn't mean everything will disappear, but it does mean that not adapting is risky. In the future, people won't be paid just for working. They'll be paid for knowing how to work with AI. So instead of fearing being replaced, it's smarter to become part of the change in whatever way fits you best. And that mindset brings us to the final step, the one that can help you stay relevant in an AI-powered future. 1. Make AI your job. This is the most rewarding step on this list, but also the hardest one. Instead of using AI as a side tool, you make it your actual profession. That means learning how AI works, how to build with it, and how to integrate it into real systems. This can involve taking courses, building small projects, experimenting, and eventually applying for jobs where AI is developed, maintained, or implemented. In a world where more and more jobs are being replaced or automated, this puts you on the other side of the equation. You're not the one being replaced. You're helping to build the systems that replace outdated processes. That may sound uncomfortable, but it's the reality we're moving toward. Think about it from a business perspective. What is more important for a large supermarket chain? Paying dozens of employees around $2,500 per month, or making a one-time investment of $50,000 into automation? Most business owners will always choose the option that is more efficient in the long run. And here's the key point. In the future, the person receiving that $50,000 is not a cashier. It's the developer, engineer, or specialist who builds and maintains those AI systems. The world isn't always fair, but if you truly believe in the future of AI, then this is one of the safest ways to stay relevant and valuable in a world where automation becomes normal. While robots may take over repetitive tasks, there will always be demand for people who understand, control, and improve the systems behind them. Making AI your job is not easy, and it takes time. But for those who commit to it, it can be one of the most secure and impactful paths in an AI-driven future. There are now 5 different ways for you to work with AI. Each of them is unique, has a different goal, and fits a different type of person. It doesn't matter which one you choose. What matters is that you choose one and start. Don't waste your most valuable resource, time. Consistency is key in every aspect of life. If this video helped you, don't forget to like it and subscribe. And if you want to learn how to invest during unstable times, make sure to check out this next video.